Tammy Slaton has been through an extraordinary transformation journey over the past few years, and fans have watched her remarkable progress with pride and admiration. After years of battling obesity, serious health issues, and the life-threatening consequences of her food addiction, Tammy managed to achieve what many thought was impossible. She lost hundreds of pounds, qualified for and underwent weight loss surgery, and adopted a healthier lifestyle that drastically improved her quality of life. However, while her physical transformation is undeniable, recent whispers and online chatter have raised an unsettling question. Could Tammy be slipping into another form of addiction now that her struggle with food is more under control? According to addiction specialists and mental health experts, such a pattern is not uncommon, and the concerns are real. For much of her life, Tammy's relationship with food was not just about sustenance, it was deeply tied to her emotions, her coping mechanisms, and even her sense of identity. Years of using food as comfort and as an escape from emotional pain created a dependency that was difficult to break. But once the dependency is forcibly removed, whether through surgery or strict dietary changes, some individuals may unconsciously seek another outlet to fill the void that the old addiction once occupied. This is known in medical circles as addiction transfer or cross-addiction, where the addictive behaviors are shifted from one substance or activity to another. Fans have pointed out certain patterns in Tammy's recent public appearances, TikTok videos, and social media posts that they believe may be early warning signs. Some claim that she appears more drawn to online attention, material shopping habits, and even spending long hours engaging in live streaming sessions, behaviors that, in moderation, are harmless but can become problematic if they begin to dominate someone's daily life or become a primary coping strategy. Experts warn that when a person experiences such a massive lifestyle overhaul, it's critical to monitor not just their physical health, but also their emotional well-being. Dr. Howard Jenkins, a behavioral health specialist who has worked with bariatric patients, explains that the human brain can sometimes seek to replace one dopamine trigger with another. Food was a major source of comfort and reward for Tammy, he says. When that's no longer available, the brain may start searching for another activity or substance that provides a similar emotional high. If that new outlet is not managed carefully, it can spiral into a new addiction. This doesn't necessarily mean Tammy is on the brink of a full-blown crisis, but it does mean that she, and anyone in a similar situation, needs to be mindful. In the reality TV spotlight, the temptation is even greater. Social media offers instant validation through likes, comments, and followers, and for someone who has endured years of public scrutiny and even cruelty, the sudden wave of praise and attention can become intoxicating. Tammy's own history with fame adds another layer of complexity. Since appearing on 1000 lb Sisters, she's been both celebrated and criticized online, with her every move documented by the media. Now that she's become a symbol of success after weight loss surgery, the pressure to maintain that image can be intense. Some viewers suspect that she may be feeling that pressure and trying to keep her fan base engaged in ways that bring her more visibility, possibly leading to excessive focus on online presence and content creation. Friends close to Tammy have also hinted that she's still navigating the emotional aftermath of her physical transformation. Losing weight doesn't erase the years of emotional struggle, and it doesn't automatically solve deeper self-esteem issues. In fact, it can sometimes bring those feelings into sharper focus. Without the old coping mechanisms, the stress, anxiety, and loneliness that once fueled her food addiction can find new outlets. There's also speculation that romantic relationships could be another potential risk area for Tammy. After her breakup with ex-husband Caleb Willingham and rumors of new dating interests, some fans wonder whether she might be moving too quickly into new emotional connections as a way to fill an inner void. Relationship addiction, while not as widely discussed as substance abuse, can also be a form of cross-addiction where emotional highs and lows become addictive themselves. Tammy, to her credit, has been open in the past about the challenges she faces and the importance of therapy and counseling. She has spoken about attending sessions to address not just her physical health, but also her mental health, a crucial step in preventing relapse into old habits or developing new destructive ones. Still, experts caution that therapy is not a quick fix. It requires ongoing commitment and self-awareness. Support from loved ones also plays a critical role. Tammy's siblings, Amy and Chris, have been central figures in her journey, sometimes clashing with her but ultimately rooting for her success. They've seen firsthand the toll addiction can take, and they understand the importance of staying vigilant. Fans of the show know that the Slayton family dynamic is complicated, love mixed with tough love, and that navigating those relationships is part of Tammy's healing process. The producers of 1000 LB Sisters are likely to explore some of these issues in future episodes, given that the show has never shied away from showing both the victories and setbacks in Tammy's journey. Reality TV thrives on drama, but it also has the potential to spark important conversations about mental health, addiction, and recovery. For Tammy, the spotlight is both a gift and a risk. On one hand, it allows her to inspire countless people struggling with obesity and addiction. On the other, it can feed the very behaviors she needs to keep in check. As Tammy continues to navigate life post-weight loss surgery, the hope among her supporters is that she stays grounded, maintains healthy coping strategies, and continues her therapy journey. While there may be signs of possible addiction transfer, it's important to remember that awareness is the first line of defense. If she remains conscious of the risks, listens to professional guidance, and leans on her support system, there's every reason to believe she can avoid falling into another trap. Tammy's transformation has been nothing short of remarkable, but the road to lasting health, both physical and mental, is ongoing. Her story serves as a reminder that weight loss is not the final chapter in overcoming addiction. The real victory lies in maintaining a balanced life, confronting emotional challenges head-on, and refusing to let one battle simply transform into another. For now, her fans are watching closely, cheering her on, and hoping that her new chapter is one of sustained strength, resilience, and true freedom from all forms of addiction. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.